Hi, Miss Jolene. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, hello, good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Jubilin Bakutana. I'm 38 years old. I have one kid. She's 9 years old. My work experience is Kuwait, 9 couples, 7 baby. My work duty is wash the clothes, ironing, cooking, take care baby. My second experience is Saudi, 7 couples, 7 members. Take care baby, cleaning, wash the clothes, cooking. Thank you, ma'am and sir.
How would you describe yourself?
I'm honest. I'm honest, ma'am and sir, and I promise, ma'am and sir, I'm finished 2 years contract in your home.
Why do you want to apply abroad?
Because my family said.
Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am and sir.
What is your first experience abroad?
Kuwait, sir.
Okay, what are your duties and responsibilities in Kuwait?
Take care baby, cooking, wash the clothes, ironing, all around, sir and ma'am.
How about your second experience?
Saudi.
What are your duties and responsibilities in Saudi?
Take care baby, cleaning, wash the clothes, ironing, cooking.
Are you willing to take care of small children,
Yes.
newborn baby, or elderly person abroad?
Yes, ma'am and sir.
How would you take care of naughty children, children with temper tantrums?
I'm take care baby, 2 years old and 7 months in Saudi, ma'am and sir.
How about the newborn babies crying at night?
Yes, sir. I know.
What will you do?
If she's crying, I give her the milk, sir.
Okay. What will you do if you become homesick?
No, sir. I'm homesick. No, sir.
So you will focus on your work?
Yes, sir. Ma'am.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir. Ma'am.
How do you describe your cooking skills?
Describe cooking, ma'am and sir. Yes, ma'am.
What food can you cook?
Adobo, ma'am and sir. Food.
How about Arabic food?
Kabsa.
How about Western food?
I don't know.
How about Chinese food?
I don't know.
But you're willing to learn, right?
Yes, ma'am and sir.
Do you have any food allergy?
Only Filipino food, Arabic food, sir.
You have food allergy?
No.
Can you sing any nursery song?
Yes, sir and ma'am. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do?
Do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Yes, ma'am and sir.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during
Yes.
working hours?
Yes, ma'am and sir.
Do you promise to be honest and loyal to your employer?
Yes, ma'am and sir.
Do you have the physical energy to keep up with the children?
Yes, ma'am and sir.
Do you drink alcohol?
No, sir.
How about smoking?
No, sir.
Do you have any tattoo on your body?
No, sir.
Do you have any history of surgery or serious sickness in the past?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share a room with the children or elderly persons?
Yes, ma'am and sir.
Are you willing to wake up very early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am and sir.
Are you willing to work during day off and employer will pay you overtime?
Yes, ma'am and sir.
What is your message to your future employer?
My message to my employer is I'm working, I'm take care baby, and more mom and son.